we're lucky.
Oh God.
Yeah, well,
It is rough.
Yeah, you know what happened.
So if you're wondering what we're doing, this is the easiest sandwich lettuce wrap you've ever made. And the reason we're doing it is because
Because we want to do cooking recipes that are simple and easy and low points for WW. It is lettuce wrap turkey sandwiches with cheese, jalapenos, pickles. You could put in red peppers, you could put in tomatoes, you can put in whatever you want.
what would you add to it? This is just my concoction.
Yeah, so I definitely have pickles. I would maybe add some avocado.
Okay, avocado
And,
Mr. Yamoto.
And then maybe like a slice of a cucumber.
If you want to know, this is a super fun fact. I just created this. I'm sure it's been done before. This is not an OG recipe of Kat, but I would say that it's a bit of an OG recipe for Kat. I made it for Nat, and she said she liked it.
It's not an OG, but it is an OG.
Well, I didn't. Okay, here. Why you don't want to know why it's an OG? Because I didn't know. I had never seen it before. So to me, it's an OG.
It's yours. Yeah.
But someone I'm sure has made this.
But here's the tip on that one.
Oh, not just the tip. Go
I
ahead.
collect cookbooks.
Yep.
And a brand new cookbook will come out, and it'll give me a recipe of like, hold on, avocado toast. I've seen it 100 times, but it's fun when your people do it for the first time. This right here, we have a Havarti, but it's jalapeno Havarti because we're into spice. I actually think that when things are spicy, for me, they're more satisfying. You feel more satiated because you can feel the burn after it's gone. You feel like you're left with it instead of just like eating a piece of celery and then walking away.
All right, here we go. So first you're going to slice. I don't slice, by the way. I just stick it in. That's what she said.
You tell me what to do.
No, you're better than me at this.
Okay. So we'll
you
put some
dress
mayo.
it how you like.
All
That's
right,
what you do.
You want to get this?
Yeah, I'm just making sure they're saving properly. Done.
So we like mayo. It's one of our favorite things. If you don't like mayo, you don't put mayo.
You know, there's some things that aren't attractive to me at people liking. Mayo's not one of them.
Like you don't care.
I don't care.
I don't care. Actually, I don't like it because I make sandwiches for my whole family, baguettes, and he doesn't like mayo. So on the lettuce,
Do any kids not like mayo?
All of them like mayo.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
They take after their mother. So you dress it with whatever condiments you want. We have mayo, we have Dijon. Again, we cut up some cucumbers here.
I'm gonna tell you, that makes it look prettier, which may make it taste better.
Then you can take your turkey, just put it right inside the boat.
Oh my God, Natalie.
Cheese.
Oh my God.
Now we like pickled jalapenos.
I did put pickles in the recipe, but the kids ate them all.
So
this is called The Real Cooking Show.
Okay, and then you can go ahead and you can just eat it like a boat, or if you want, you can go put a top hoagie on it.
Touche. Okay, go ahead, and then you can feed me. Put a top hoagie on it.
I can honestly say,
oh my God,
I like this better than a sub sandwich.
Natalie,
Catherine, so easy, so delicious.
You leave a comment down below.
Share your recipes with us.
And ones you want us to try.
Subscribe to our channel.
Obviously.
Like it and tell all your friends. Easy, low point meals with Kat and Nat in the kitchen.
Nat's down a lot of points. I mean,
pounds. I'm going down. I'm yelling timber. You better move.
Do you want to?
You better dance.
If you want more recipes, come follow us on Instagram. And check out We Vlog All Day.
This ain't life. What is?